Welcome BSc second students. Today we will see experiment Stephen's fourth power law by virtual lab. The aim of the experiment Stephen's fourth power law, it is like this: the power radiated, it is directly proportional to fourth power of temperature. And here we have to find out the power of temperature by using this experiment. The aim of experiment is to verify Stephen's fourth power law by using given circuit, apparatus, battery, voltmeter, ammeter, rheostat and bulb. The observation table, it is like this. Observation number V in volts, current in ampere, current milliampere we measure, then we have to convert that current in ampere, that is we have to multiply into 10 raised to minus 3. Power equal to product of current and voltage, and resistance equal to V upon I. We do this experiment by using this virtual laboratory. The instruments for this Stephen's fourth power law, they are like this. Here ammeter, voltmeter, we select voltmeter. We select voltmeter. Before starting lecture, that virtual practical, we have to answer their question and then we start. Select voltmeter, select ammeter, select voltmeter, then select bulb, select battery, connect the bulb with voltmeter. This is voltmeter. You have studied, you have complete the circuit connections. Complete the connections. The connections are completed. The circuit diagram, it is like this. There is a bulb. I think we have studied this circuit diagram. We'll back to this. Here there is circuit diagram. It is like this, and like this circuit diagram, we have to join the circuit. There is a bulb, there is voltmeter, there is a power supply, and a rheostat and ammeter. Here we in virtual laboratory, we have not connected this rheostat. We connect the battery to the directly to the ammeter. We will return back to this virtual lab. Like this. The circuit is completed. This is ammeter, this is voltmeter, this is bulb, and there is battery. We can connect like this. Now we on the power. Power is on. Again, to on the power, we have to again attend one question. And then we on the supply on. Set the voltage. We keep the voltage at first set 0.7. Observation table is like this. Voltage and current. Voltage is 0.7. Current, note down this reading. Current is 18.5. This current is in milliampere. Then change this voltage. 1.4. Second voltage is 1.4. Now the current is 22 milliampere. Set another voltage 2.5. The current is 27.5. Set the voltage for another value 3.9. The current is 34.5. Set the voltage for another value 5. Just we 4.9 and 39.5 current is. Note down these readings. 6:45. Then 7:50. 7.9. 54.5. Then 8.3. Take any 10 readings. 10:65. We can vary the voltmeter up to 15 volt. 10.8. 69. 12:75. 13.5. 82.5. These readings are sufficient. Take this reading and again we'll back to the PPT. The readings we have taken and we will fill. Here, students, we record the readings during the experiment. The readings are like this. When the voltage is 0.7 volt, the current in milliampere is 18.5. The current in ampere is 18.5 into 10 raised to minus 3. The power is product of current and voltage, so it is 12.9 into 10 raised to minus 3. And resistance equal to voltage upon current. Current should be in ampere, so voltage is 0.7 and current divided by 18.1 into 10 raised to minus 3. That is equal to 37. Like this, we record all the readings during the experiment. The readings are like this. We take the reading from 1 to 10.8 volts. We measure the corresponding currents. We convert the current in ampere. The current is in milliampere. We convert that current in ampere. Then we calculate the power. Power is in watt and resistance is in ohm. Then we make another table. We take the power reading and corresponding resistance reading. That is, for various resistances, we calculate the power and we make another table, that is log P and log R. We take first the log of 12.9 into 10 raised to minus 3. Then we take log of 37. Second, in the second row, log of 30.8 into 10 raised to minus 3. We take log of 63. And the table is like this. Then we plot a graph of log P versus log R. Log P is on y-axis, log R in is x-axis. Here there is interchange of table, but here log R in on x-axis and log P is on y-axis. Here log R, the values of log R, these are positive. The values of log P, these are negative. So x coordinates, these are positive and y are negative. Hence the graph will be इन फोर्थ क्वाड्रंटला तुमचा ग्राफ येईल. द नेचर ऑफ ग्राफ इज लाईक दिस. लॉग आर हा एक्स ऍक्सिसला आहे आणि लॉग पी हा वाय ऍक्सिसला आहे. द नेचर ऑफ ग्राफ इट इज लाईक दिस. And then we calculate the slope. We calculate the slope at this point. या पॉइंटला आपण स्लोप कॅल्क्युलेट केलेला आहे. The value of slope, it is like this, 0.5 divided by 0.12. The slope of graph is 4.16. And I told you the slope of graph that gives you the power of temperature. So the temperature power radiated, it is proportional to fourth power of temperature. And hence approximately from the graph, the power of temperature is 4. And hence the power radiated is directly proportional to fourth power of temperature. आता या परीक्षेला तुम्हाला काय विचारतील? You have to explain the aim of experiment. You have to explain the apparatus. Then you have to draw the circuit diagram. Circuit diagram is very easy. There is a bulb. Voltmeter is connected across the bulb. Then current ammeter is connected across the, in series with the bulb. And there is power supply and there is rheostat. And how you did the experiment? You keep different voltages. And for various voltages you measure the current. हे तुम्हाला सांगता आलं पाहिजे. And finally, how you do the calculations, हेही सांगता आलं पाहिजे. ऑब्झर्वेशन टेबल तुम्हाला माहित पाहिजे. व्होल्टेज, करंट इन मिलीएम्पियर, करंट इन एम्पियर, पॉवर अँड रेजिस्टन्स. पॉवर कशी कॅल्क्युलेट करता येईल हे सांगता आलं पाहिजे. रेजिस्टन्स हे सांगता आलं पाहिजे. हिअर द पॉवर इज इन वॅट, रेजिस्टन्स इज इन ओहम. आणि नंतर आपण काय केलेलं आहे? वी प्लॉट ए ग्राफ ऑफ लॉग पी अगेन्स्ट लॉग आर. लॉग पी हा वाय ऍक्सिसला आहे, लॉग आर हा एक्स ऍक्सिसला आहे. आणि त्याच्यावरून आपण स्लोप कॅल्क्युलेट केला आहे. आणि स्लोप, व्हॅल्यू ऑफ स्लोप इट इज 4.16. आणि फ्रॉम द ग्राफ द पॉवर ऑफ, ह्या तर स्लोपची व्हॅल्यू आहे, दॅट विल गिव्स यू द पॉवर ऑफ टेम्परेचर. सो पॉवर ऑफ टेम्परेचर इज 4. आणि म्हणून आपण म्हणतोय की स्टीफन्स फोर्थ पॉवर लॉ इज व्हेरीफाईड बाय युझिंग धिस एक्सपेरिमेंट.